Hi everyone, so it's me again, Mariel. So for this video is magki-create tayo ng another tutorial. So ito ay for grade 8 student. Yeah, for grade 8 ito. So you better listen in this one because this is very important. I think it's in the first quarter and for sure magiging kasali to sa mga magiging exam nyo or periodic exam. So watch. And of course, you have to jot down ideas and of course, be familiarized with all those important matters or important details that I'm going to tackle in this lesson. So this one is addition and subtraction of a rational algebraic expression with similar denominator. So basically, kapag sinabi nating similar denominators, okay, so it's all about, parang it's something like similar fractions. Okay, similar fractions. So, ibig sabihin, magkaparehas po ang denominators. Tandaan, ang denominators ay nasa baba ng fraction. Okay, nasa baba ng fraction bar. So, yan siya. Alright, so this time, palaging tandaan na kapag mag-add and subtract kayo, kailangan knowledgeable enough kayo on how to add and subtract fractions. Very important yan. Marami tayong tutorials. You can go to my YouTube channel, Mariel. Yan, pwede nyo puntahan. And then, marami akong tutorial kung paano mag-add and subtract ng fraction. Mahalaga ito dito. Promise. So, this time, dito tayo focus on adding. Adding muna because number 1 is addition. Rational algebraic expression. Okay? So, anyway, before pala tayo mag-move dito sa number 1, please kindly watch my discussions about what is rational algebraic expression and also how to simplify rational algebraic expression. So, meron ako niyan sa YouTube channel. You can just go there. Okay. So, sabi ko nga kanina, parang fraction lang to or parang simple fraction. Ang pinagkaibahan nga lang dito is ito ay polynomials or algebraic expression or simply may kasama ng variable and operations as well. So, palaging tandaan na kapag mag-a-add kayo ng rational algebraic expression na magkaparehas yung denominator, ang gagawin nyo lang dyan is ikakopy yan. Dito tayo maglagay. Ikakopy nyo lang siya dyan. Parang sa sa normal fraction, kinakopy lang yung denominator. Then, proceed to adding the numerators. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng 2a minus 6 plus, yan, plus 3a minus 4. So, you just have to copy it that way. And then, ang gagawin nyo lang is to combine like terms. Combine like terms. Remember, sa adding or addition ng algebraic expression, we can only add like terms or yung magkakatulad. So, ano ba yung may like terms? Mga terms na may parehas na variable or kapag naman wala silang variable, basta parehas silang number or constant, then like terms sila. So, kagaya dito, ang ka-like terms po ni 2a ay si 3a because they are both having a as their variable. So, you just have to combine that. 2a plus 3a. Of course, you add 2 plus 3. That's 5a. Okay? Hindi nyo kailangan mag-add ng exponent dito kasi para lang yun sa multiplication or sa law of exponent. Ito ay addition lang. So, 3, parang lang, kung meron kang 2a at meron kang 3a, ilang a meron ka? So, 5a. Diba? And then, of course, after that is negative 6 minus 4. Don't forget to include the sign. Mahalaga na isinasama natin palagi yung mga sign kasi magtatampo yan sila. Joke lang. So, negative 6 minus 4. So, ibig sabihin dito, kailangan knowledgeable enough na din kayo on how to add and subtract integers or positive and negative numbers including 0. Okay? So, si negative 6 and negative 4 ay parehas ang sign. So, you have to add them. 6 plus 4 is 10. Pero, you have to copy the sign of the highest number which is negative. So, meron kang negative 10 in there. Okay? Then, copy again the denominator 2a minus 4. Yan. Actually, okay na yan. Kaya lang, if your teacher asks you to simplify your answer, you have to. So, ano po yung mga gagamitin natin to simplify the answer? Ang mga ginagamit natin to simplify is yung mga factors ng polynomial or factoring polynomials. So, inaral to previously bago itong lesson na to, like factoring common monomial, factoring sum and difference or difference of two squares, sum and difference of two cubes, perfect square trinomial, general trinomial. Very important that you know all of those. Okay? So, dito, 5a minus 10 and 2a minus 4, kaya siyang ma-factor ng common monomial. Okay? Ibig sabihin, ng factoring common monomial, there is something common between 5a and 10, and there's something common between 2a and 4. So, ano ba yung common kay 5a and 10? Of course, walang a or hindi kasama si a sa greatest common monomial factor. So, kunin nyo lang yung 5 dyan. Parang kukuha lang kayo ng greatest common factor ng 5 and 10. And you know that it's 5. Okay, when you do the listing method, it's 5. Because 5 is the only number that can divide 5 and 10 at the same time. Okay, so 5 times, eto, divide nyo lang. 5a divided by 5, of course, a na lang yung may iwan kasi makakancel yan. And then, negative 10 divided by 5, that's negative 2. There you go. So, that's 5 over a minus 2 over. Dito naman, 2 and 4. Ano naman yung 2a and negative 4? So, ano naman yung common factor? Common factor between 2 and 4 is, of course, 2. Because 2 is the only number that can divide 2 and 4 at the same time. So, then, divide 2a divided by 2. That's a already. Then, negative 4 divided by 2. That's negative 2. And that's it. Now, all you have to do is to cancel yung mga makikita nyo na mayroong magkatulad sa numerator at denominator. So, dito, a minus 2 and a minus 2 is the same. So, therefore, you cancel that. And then, 5 over 2 na lang ang maiiwan. 5 over 2 or 1, or rather 2. 2 and 1 half. Why? Because this is improper fraction and you have to change that to mixed number. Changing that to mixed number, you just have to divide. 5 divided by 2. Okay, that's 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Then, subtract 1. So, 2 is your, 2, or the quotient is your whole number, this one. And then, the remainder is your numerator. And then, copy the denominator, which is 2, this one. And, that's gonna be the final answer for our number 1. 5 over 2 or 2 and 1 half. Okay? I hope it's clear. Okay, now, let's move on to our example number 2. Number 2 is subtraction. Yeah, we're in subtraction. Or subtracting rational algebraic expression. Alright? So, the same thing with the addition, just like what I discussed a while ago. But dito nga lang is meron tayong konti lang namang pagbabago na gagawin when it comes to subtraction. And ito ay hindi dapat mawala sa subtraction. So, parehas pa rin. You have to copy the denominators that are the same. Okay? Because they are the same. X plus 2 times x minus 5, x plus 2 times x minus 5. So, they are the same. Like, lagyan natin dito ng similar. Yan. Similar denominators. So, basically, kapag napanood nyo itong video na to, may nauna na po akong na-upload. So, you have to watch that. Okay? So, x plus 2 over x minus 5. And then, copy everything on the numerators. In the numerators, 2x plus 7 minus, don't forget that. Then, lagay ka ng parenthesis. Then, put x plus 5. Ganyan. Okay? So, ito na yung sinasabi ko kanina na konting changes lang on what what you need to do when it comes to subtracting rather than adding. Okay? So, ganito lang gagawin natin. Copy lang ulit natin everything. Remember, sa mathematics or sa algebra, kapag hindi naman natin siya i-operate or wala tayong gagawin, kinokopya lang natin sila. Kagaya niyan, x plus 2 times x minus 5, copy. 2x plus 7, copy. Because the concern in here is to distribute negative to x and to positive 5. That's the important thing that you need to do when it comes to subtracting a rational algebraic expression. Alright, and then, meron ka ditong negative times x, that's minus x. Negative times positive 5, that's minus 5. Okay? That's how important it is. Now, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, after that, you have to combine like terms already. Okay? So, like terms again, yung magkaparehas na may variable. Halimbawa, itong 2x, ang ka-like terms po niya is si negative x. Hindi niya ka-like terms si 7 and negative 5 because wala naman silang variable x. So, 2x minus x, that's x. And 7 minus 5, that's plus 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. And then, copy the denominator because that's already in there. And then, after that, cancel lahat ng makikita nyong magkaparehas sa numerator and denominator. Parehas pong may x plus 2, cancel yan. So, wala nang natira sa taas, lagay ka lang ng 1. Okay? Over, natira na lang sa baba, x minus 5. And that's gonna be your final answer for number 2. And that's easy lang. So, I hope it's clear. And if you have any questions, you can comment it down below. So, hanggang 5 to. So, watch more after this one. Thank you. Okay, so now let's move on to our example number 3. So, basically, kapag nakita mo, una mo itong nakita yung video na to, punta ka lang sa profile ko dito sa TikTok and then dito sa TikTok kasi upload dito sa TikTok and also sa YouTube. Sa YouTube complete po ito from 1 to 5 na example ng adding and subtracting rational algebraic expression. So pag nauna mo tong makita, so you better watch example 1 and 2. Okay, on my profile. So we have here x squared minus 2x minus 7 over x squared minus 9 plus 3x plus 1 over x squared minus 9. And also, they are having the same denominators. And ang gagawin kapag magkatulad, kinakopy lang po. Copy lang yan. Okay, copy lang yan. And then, combine yung ating numerators. Copy lang din. X squared, minus 2x minus 7. Copy yung plus, itong plus, 3x plus 1. Then, after that, combine like terms only. Copy muna ito. Denominators, combine like terms. So, si x squared, wala naman siyang ka-like terms kasi wala naman ditong terms na mayroong exponent of 2 na x. So, therefore, copy nyo lang yan dito. The next, si negative 2x meron, which is 3x. So, negative 2x plus 3x or negative 2 plus 3 is positive x. Okay? Positive x na lang po yan. And then, right after that, meron ka namang negative 7, which is ka-like term niya si positive 1. Negative 7 plus 1, of course, you'll be having negative 6 in there. Okay? So, ganun lang siya kasimple. X squared plus x minus 6 over x squared minus 9. Alright, so ngayon, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, if your teacher asks you to simplify, you have to simplify it using all the factoring that you've learned from the previous topic. Sa lahat ng factoring, I guess, meron yata ako nito lahat on my YouTube channel. So, tingnan ko later kung meron nga. Pangalam ko meron akong factoring ng lahat ng polynomials ng grade 8. Again, ito ay pang grade 8. So, ito po ay mafa-factor natin. Itong numerator, mafa-factor natin using general trinomial. Ito naman ay difference of 2 square. Difference of 2 square. So, factoring x squared plus x minus 6. Right? Lagay natin dyan. Dalawa. Tapos ito, dalawa din. X squared plus x minus 6, ihiwalay natin siya. Wait, wala akong scratch pair dito na lang. X squared plus x minus 6. So, para ma-factor nyo yan, kuhain nyo lang yung factors ng negative 6. Considering na positive po, etong gitna, kailangan kasi positive 1 ang makuha natin na sum ng dalawang number na factor ng negative 6. So, lagay muna natin yung factors ng negative 6. Meron tayong, considering positive po ito, so dapat yung pinakamalaking factor yung ating positive. So, if ito ay negative 1 times 6, positive 6, because that's negative 6 negative 2 times 3. Yan lang yung factors ng negative 6. Okay? So, again, pwede mo naman din gawing negative 6 times positive 1 or negative 3 times positive 2. But we are considering the middle term, which is plus. Kasi, di ba, sa integers or sa adding and subtracting integers, we copy the sign of the highest number. So, dapat pag pinag-plus natin tong dalawa, yan. So, halimbawa, ito, negative 1 plus 6, that's positive 5. Negative 2 plus 3, that's positive 1. So, therefore, we are looking for negative 2 plus 3 because positive 1 po yung middle term. Okay? That's how you do general trinomial. So, therefore, yung ating factor ay x minus 2 and x plus 3. Alright? X minus 2, x plus 3. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6 and negative 2 plus 3 is positive 1. Right? And then, factor x squared minus 9. Ito naman ay, ang gagawin nyo lang naman dito is hiwalayin yung minus at plus. Paghihiwalayin yung minus at plus. So, and then, sorry, may nagchat-chat. So, wait lang. Okay na siguro. So, and then, x squared minus 9. So, ano lang gagawin nyo dyan? Factoring difference of 2 squares, kunin lang square root ng x squared, and that's x. So, lagay x both. Kunin ng square root ng 9, and that's 3. So, x minus 3 times x plus 3. Then, for the final one, cancel everything na common kay numerator and denominator, and that's x plus 3 because they are both in the numerator and denominator. So, therefore, your final answer is x minus 2 over x minus 3, and that's final. Ganun lang po kasimple. Eto. Alright, so very easy lang. Okay, let's go to number 4. Sama ko na tong number 4 dito. So, number 4, pinakamadali to kasi ikakopy nyo lang yan, a minus 5. Kasi parehas. And then plus 6 plus 4. So, that's 10. That's your final answer. Okay? And then, for your activity, you have to answer this one and comment it down below. Answer and then comment your final answer in number 5. Or you can like stitch this, you can like solve this para mas marami makakita at mas maraming or sige, siguro, ano na lang, comment nyo na lang pala. Alright, so thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope that you've learned something from me in here. So, upload ko to ng kompleto on my YouTube channel. So, pwede nyo akong puntahan, Mariel. Or dito naman sa TikTok, it's 1 by 1. Okay, so bye and have a nice day. So, see you on my next video. Request kayo ng mga topics, okay? Bye!